Hello, my name is Chris Campbell, president of InsureBerry. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about a hail protector I just bought. You know, being in Texas this year of 21, we're actually finding a lot of storms, and we've been hit several times throughout the state, and this will probably be one of the worst seasons we've ever had with hail losses. So wanted to be able to give you guys a suggestion on what to do in case of hail. We put out a couple of different papers on, you know, how to angle your vehicle in the weather, you know, where to stop, where to park, how to handle the situation. But if you have time beforehand and you can't park in a garage, you might want to look at an item called the Hail Protector. And we're going to be able to put a little link on this to be able to get $30 off if you want to proceed with this. But I'm just going to show you how to set it up. But in the back here, you've got a little motor that I'm going to plug in to help get it going. Plug it into the back. The cool thing with this is you can either plug it into your car battery. If you're at home, you can put it into an extension, or there's actually battery pack that they supply that you can use. Okay, we're almost there. We're going to put the latches on underneath. And all you have to do with that, instead of getting on the ground, we'll go ahead and push this through. This is all included on the packet that you buy. Part of the trick is to make sure it's nice and tight against your tires, and then you can wound it up, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. At the very back of it, you have this little pole here. You start pulling it out and start cinching it in. And once you do this a couple of times, you'll be able to do it within just a few minutes. This is my second time. Great learning process. Make sure it's tight. All looking good. A little more pressure on it, we'll be good. Tie it up here. Now all we have to do is use the remote control and let it start to begin. And on this model, there's 4 different components that are pushing the air through. You put these over them just in case the storm starts getting, just to protect them. Okay. We'll just give it a few minutes here, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes or so. As you can see, it's almost done filling up, but it's actually fairly solid. And the more you put the pressure on the tires to clamp it in, the tighter it will get within those few minutes. I think it could do a good job. Unfortunately, we might have to test it out next week. I heard there's going to be a lot of hail next week, so let's keep our fingers crossed that we don't need it. But a device like this is going to be between $350 to $500, depending on the size you get. If you think about the deductible you have to pay to get your vehicle fixed, I think that should be taken into the equation, as well as the inconvenience of actually having to take your car in and wait on it. So we'll keep you posted on how this goes. If you have any questions, let us know. We're not getting any money for this. It's just, we're trying to figure out how we protect ourselves in these storms during this year. Have a great day. Thanks.